Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ala, na mumu dia. Kanina, wakan niya pil. Karutan ka. Wakan mo tintas.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, right now, guys, so our beautiful princess will blow the 6 birthday candle. Let's do the countdown from 5 to 1. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blow! More! Yay! Happy birthday to you! Beautiful Maria Anthony. There you go. Oh, what's your message to your mom and dad?
Banyak rasa putih. Mana? Saya tadi nak kapati.
There you go, guys. Clap your hands naman dyan. For our birthday girl, clap your hands. There you go. Picture sa mo, dad. Okay, atras. Picture sa si mommy and daddy, ha? Oh, picture sa mo, mommy and daddy. Okay. Alright, ready?